This craft is called bowling set. You will need newspaper, 2 small empty bottles, different coloured paint including white, a paintbrush, rice, 2 balloons, sellotape, a small plastic bag and a pair of scissors. Paint the small plastic bottles using white paint. Once the bottles are dry, paint the bottles as if they were bowling pins. Allow them to dry. To make the bowling ball, put the rice inside the plastic bag. Now pack the rice down into the corner of the plastic bag. Then cut the rest of the bag off using the scissors. Seal the bag with sellotape. Cut off the necks of the balloons using scissors. Open up the balloons and put the rice ball inside. Use the other balloon to cover the opposite side of the rice ball. And this is the bowling set.